Something a little bit different today. This past weekend was the MKUK6 Meetup in London. There was about 200 people there, as well as a number of different vendors like charotypes, keycats, mech boards. It was a really good event, loads of different cool keyboards, and I thought it was something that you guys might like to see. Big shout out to all those involved setting it up. It was a great event with so many great prizes and giveaways. And it was great to go out and see a bunch of other people who are into the same nerdy hobby as I am. So I hope you enjoyed the next couple minutes. See you later, nerds.